Today's video is a look at our cabin that we bought back in 2017. The cabin was built in 1983 from a kit. The logs are from Montana. And over the few years that we've owned the cabin, we've updated it to a country French look. These pictures give you an idea of some of the changes we've made. We're still working on updates, and I often rearrange furniture. The main bathroom had a door that opened outward into the hallway, so the fix for that was replacing it with a sliding barn door. I will post a video of what we've done to update the bathrooms, but here's a picture of the outcome of the master bath, where we replaced an old, outdated acrylic tub with this cozy wooden one. One of our favorite features in the home is a wood-burning stove in the kitchen. We use this every opportunity we get, but living in Texas, that's typically only January and February. Now, we do have a regular stove that we use for, well, not this. But since the subject of pets came up, let me show you who really owns our cabin. These are my girls, and unlike the other pets around here, these girls do contribute. We are on 7 acres of wooded property, and we do have to share it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.